Hello everyone, welcome back to Bran'sTech. How are you all? This right here is the unboxing of the mini smart socket. And okay. And this is, I believe, compatible with Amazon Alexa, which I use, which is why I'm filming this appropriately in front of a Fire TV, Edition TV. Okay. Okay, as you can see, once I open it, two of them actually come out both with their own boxes. Just gonna go ahead and open up these individual boxes. I've actually had this for a few months now, but still have not opened it. You have the on button. Model XSSA01 mini smart socket. I'm pretty sure it'd be same with the other one. Looking through the, oh wow, okay. Download and registration, scan the QR code and download the SmartLife app. You can find it in Google Play or the App Store. And go ahead and register it. Add devices in AP mode, using with Google Home, and hopefully there's Alexa. Okay, yep. Quick guide to using with Echo, and I'm actually going to set it with both because, you know, I do use Google Assistant on my Android devices. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do this. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and install. And ignore the tape on my phone at the moment. My phone case is actually broken, and me being clumsy, I don't want to accidentally break my phone. Even though that's unlikely, but you never know. Okay, register. Go ahead and read through this. And I do agree. Okay, now go ahead and set up my email. Then go ahead and ask for your verification. Okay, now to set the password. Okay. And let me go ahead and set this. And yeah, and now it's set up a family account, and yeah. And when you click add device, it has everything right here that they have. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a wonderful day.